Today we'll look at how to find the maximum result across multiple subcases and multiple solutions. Here you can see we have two solutions with three subcases each. In order to find out which one has the maximum, here we'll select operation as maximum, and through Loadcases we'll also say output ID results so we can see which load case that comes from, and then we'll select our result that we'd like to include. And here we're just interested in our element nodal stresses and the VM component. So we'll add those from those three subcases from that solution, and then also three from our second solution. So here you can see we have all 6 subcases. And what we'd like is to envelope and create a full result. So what this full result will do is it will automatically import it as an imported result. And here we can see what the maximum stress is, and then we can see what subcase ID it came from. And here, since it says subcase ID 6, we'll need to add up all of the subcases in order of how we added it to the envelope command. So here we can see it's subcase 3 from solution 2.